Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mide Nancy. I'm super excited to be back on the channel. Guys, I know I look like what I've been through. Like, I've been through a lot. The past couple of weeks has been a lot for me. So I'm going to be showing you how I go from this. I don't know if I need to go around for you guys to see. From this to this. So basically I keep my hair like in a protective style. The protective style is called all back. So this is water basically, just to moisturize the hair or to hydrate it, because it's really dry before I start to loosen the braids. So I had these braids made by a friend, and now I'm just going to take them out. Can you see my braids? My hair looking all good. So I'm just going to loosen my hair now. I have a cotton comb, and I'm definitely going to do that off camera because it's going to take a long time. I have 17. I'm halfway done. I already have all this and all this, and I'm literally very tired. I'm almost done. Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm currently on this one 7. So from about 17, I have about 7 left, and I don't know what time it is because I don't want to check time. I'm just going to put myself under unnecessary pressure. Ow! I'm done losing my hair. It's super dirty, like really dirty. I lost so much hair, like so much hair as well. So this is what it looks like at the moment, but I'm going to go downstairs to the bathroom to try to just, comb it out better, and then I'm going to come back to straighten it. Normally I plan to wash the hair, but if I wash my hair, it's going to shrink. So that's what happens to natural hair, like fuzzy hair. It always shrinks, unfortunately. So I don't think I'm going to wash my hair because I still want to braid it back as well. Like, I just want to have a neater braid. I don't know if that makes sense. So like I was saying, I'm going to go to the bedroom now, try to comb out my hair properly, and after that you guys are going to see me again. So this is what I have now. I already detangled my hair, like I sectioned it as you can see, and then I detangled it with my hand and comb. I didn't have any products, I didn't have water, because if I had water it's going to shrink. I didn't have oil or anything because I feel like there's still some residue, like oil residue in my hair from all these oil and things I spray on it on the gnomes. So I have my straightener, so I'm going to untangle each one after the other, and I'm going to straighten it. I hope that makes sense. There's actually almost no difference, like between the straightened one and the unstraightened one, because I already detangled this. Like I said earlier, I detangled this with my finger. I detangled it with like the oil residue in it and my comb. So I'm just going to go ahead and straighten the rest, and yeah, we're going to get to the afro. So now I'm done straightening totally, like I'm totally done straightening, and I'm just going to move to the next stage. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. This is what my hair looks like after straightening, like roughly straightening it basically. I'm going to let the straightener rest, then use my comb to, you know, put it into my desired style basically, and which is Afro, of course. That's why we are watching this video. So anytime I do this hairstyle, everybody's always like, I love your hair, I love your hair. And I love my hair as well. That's why I never added relaxer to my hair. So you might not know what, ouch, you might not know what a relaxer is. So these are kind of like creams that have been mixed with like some chemicals, and apparently when you add it to your natural hair, like how my hair is, and you leave it in your hair for a while and you know, wash it off, your hair is supposed to be sleek, like basically sleek, and then it doesn't come back to its natural state. Basically, you lost the chance of being able to make an afro. But I mean, you get other benefits. There are benefits. It's not like people just wake up and choose to just, you know, relax their hair with these things. Some people have really hard hair, like really hard hair. You know, putting the comb in my hair, I don't feel pains, but some people literally cry, like shed tears when they are doing what I'm doing. So for them, the only option remains, you know, putting a relaxer so that they can, you know, they can manage the pain basically. So luckily I have soft hair. I don't know if you guys can tell. It has never really been an option for me to put relaxer in my hair. I have people who do ask me, is this your natural hair? Is this your natural hair? Actually guys, I have an afro wig, but to be fair, why I use the afro wig is because when it's raining season, like I told you guys, if I add water to my hair, it's just gonna boom, like everything is just gonna go back, like it's just gonna shrink. That's fussy hair, like you cannot add water to it, it's just going to shrink. So imagine raining season, I'm outside, it starts raining without any warnings, and then my hair is like this, and then everything just goes back to being very little and hard and difficult to comb, difficult to straighten, breaks, cuts, everything possible. So it's really difficult to maintain my natural hair in an afro state for more than a week. A week or two max that I can go is 2 weeks with my natural hair. So, and that's in a period where it's not raining. But if it's a raining period, I'm sorry, I'm going to wear my afro wig. And if you're not happy about it, you think I'm not embracing my natural hair enough, maybe you should have it and think of what some of us go through before you just judge. So as I was saying, when people ask me, is this your natural hair, if I'm on my wig and I tell them actually it's not my natural hair, but this is how my natural hair looks, they're like, I don't believe you. Actually my natural hair even looks more than the wig. So the wig is just because I want to have my natural hair on. I want to have the afro style for as long as possible. But I mean, unfortunately, with the weather, it's currently in Lille, it's raining period, so I've just had to like wear wigs most of the times. And this is what my hair looks like now. I'm not even done. Like, I don't know if I did a good job at the back, because I mean, I can't see the back, so I really cannot tell. Guys, my hair is dirty. My hair is dirty, I know. Can you see like some dirt? I have dirt on my face. My hair is really dirty. Oh, I'm going to have to wash it. But so guys, can you see that this is my hair? Basically, just combing it down. This is what my hair looks like. I just try to pat it down, and if I pull it, it goes on, but then I don't want my hair everywhere. And I'm bending down. I think I should increase the height of my tripod. 1 minute. Ow! So I don't have to like literally bend down and survive when I have a tripod that is even taller than I am. Oh my god, I've been suffering myself. Like, I've been bending down and I literally have a tripod that is like as tall, even taller. So I do this, take it from the roots, pull it out, then make sure it gives me a kind of fringe. Then after that, I just kind of pat my hair. This is my Afro wig, and this is my hair. Who won? Oh my god, my hair is actually black. I always thought my hair was like this color. My hair is actually quite black. I love my wig, and I will not change. I will not stop wearing my wig when I need to take a break from. Do you know the amount of hours I've spent just to make this Afro by myself? I mean, if I had to go to a salon and just sit down, they set it up. Assuming there was actually an Afro salon, I don't mind going there, sit down, make them do my hair, and if it's not too expensive, go there like, I mean, once a month, as long as I want to have Afro for like 2 months or something. But unfortunately, there's nothing like that. And this old thing that I did, it's been close to 3 hours. Okay, I'm not exaggerating, but someone came, so I had to go attend to the person. Person wanted to help me fix something, so I had to go attend to the person. So if I remove that time from it, okay, to be fair, this takes a lot of time. I need to loosen my natural hair. I need to, detangle it, which is not joke at all. I need to straighten the hair one by one, like in the sections that I already sectioned them into. I need to comb it, and I mean, this takes lots of effort, and the floor is filled with like my hair, so I also have to clean up after this. So to be fair, it's not really an easy process that I can like do with my current schedule as a student, working. It's like juggling so many activities of life together. This is not realistic for me. Like, it doesn't make sense for me to do this every morning before going to school, because if once I sleep with this, it becomes very small, and tomorrow I need to like do the same process. Like, basically, I don't know if you guys enjoyed this video, but I enjoyed making this video because I was able to see, like, this is not the first time I'm doing this, but this is the first time I'm doing it on camera. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I still have my comb. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new. If this is your first time seeing my face, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.